Muhereza asaba ono nga weze emyaka 57 n'abalala 147 kati bafuuka mu mboze mu nkambi y'ababundabunda ekijayo ku kyalo Omuzirandulu mu ssaza ly'e Buhaguzi mu disitulikiti y'e Hoima. Mu mwaka gwa 2013 Muhereza y'omu ku baagobwa ku ttaka eriweza yiikalo 13 kampuni ya Hoima Sugar Limited erimireko ebikajjo.
Nkabingwa ekitongole kibaakweta Hoima Sugar Limited.
I was just by Hoima Sugar Limited.
Muhereza abadde mu kakiiko akabuliza ku mivuyo gy'ettaka akakulirwa omulamuzi Catherine Bamugemirire.
Tandika kusiisa ebintu byaitu.
And he started destroying the food crops.
Amaju.
Houses.
Byone byomaka byona tutasigaze.
Everything in the house, there was nothing left behind.
Kigambibwa nti ettaka ko baagobwa lyali lya mulangira w'obukama bwa Bunyoro Habert Kimera lwa Kiswaza. Kyokka nga batuuze bagamba nti lyabwe bwoya.
I'm born there and that land was for grandfather.
Tuli mu camps.
That we went to the camps.
How do you survive in those camps?
Kubonabona.
Suffering.
Banira baloopi abanene mu poliisi balumiriza okubasuza nga bakukunadde.
Na muno RPC.
Especially the RPC.
Sebambulide.
Called Sebambulide.
Na aba commander ba DPC babiri.
And two commanders of the DPC.
Augustine Kasangaki.
One called Augustine Kasangaki.
Hamuna Kankwasa Bernard.
Another one called Kankwasa Bernard.
Wabula omu ku baddukanya kampuni eno eya Hoima Sugar, Ramado Sirajakaserani, yeganya okugobaganya abantu ku ttaka.
That we have not evicted, we have not done that thing.
Ategeeza akakiiko nti abantu batandika okwesenza ku ttaka nga bamaze okuligula ku kimera, wadde kino nga tekyabalobera kubasasula nga kati bakasasulako abantu 146. Kyokka akakiiko kakitegedde nti kubagambibwa nti basasulwa kuliko abaweebwa emitwalo 3 gyokka egya siringi za Uganda.
Even I have brought one application where we have paid 30,000 to one person.
Right.
It was measuring 0.05 acre. It had only 3 to 4 maize crops inside. But he said he wanted compensation. We have paid him what he want. He wanted 50,000. Then we have finally negotiated 30,000. We have paid him.
So you gave them 30,000, but that has been where they live every day. That's where they get their source of income. So when you remove that, you might have paid the one of 30, but you've actually destroyed their livelihood.
It could tarnish the name of the company as a social impact resulting from your activities. So,
and there are people like him, and they're living. That Muhereza is living in the IDP camp.
Togerera nga abamu ku bantu ensonga zino bazitwala mu kkooti. Kyokka Musigansimbi Rajakaserani agamba nti buli lukya olukalo lw'abagala okusasulwa lweyongera okulinnya.
But you should take interest in why people are not interested.
We have established ourselves. We should have a good rapport with the local people.
Jingo Francis, NTV, Akaungezi.